So today's video is going to be a little different than our normal plant-related content, but it will still be plant-ish related. One of my favorite snacks to have on hand at all times would be chia seed pudding. So in this video, I'm going to show you my easy recipe for 2-ingredient chia seed pudding. I'm not a big breakfast guy, but I think, having some chia seed pudding with a little fruit or granola is a great way to really kickstart your day because chia seeds, they're chock full of fiber. They've got some great protein. And when you make the pudding, it's a really wonderful consistency. Now, the 2 ingredients are, of course, chia seeds and almond milk. I've tried all sorts of different liquids, normal milk, oat milk, hemp milk, coconut milk, and of course almond milk. And I find that almond milk is just the best because it's the cheapest, it's easy to find, and it creates a really nice consistency. My second best option would be coconut milk, but that's a little bit more expensive and it has a little bit more rich calorically in terms of its content. And I purchased both my almond milk and my chia seeds at Costco for very budget-friendly prices. If you're looking for an easy way to purchase your chia seeds and our mason jars, check the description below for some links to both of these if you don't have them on hand already. Of course, you can find almond milk at any grocery store. Now, the recipe is simple. We're going to use a 32-ounce mason jar. We're going to fill it with 6 tablespoons of our chia seeds and then our almond milk. Now, there's one trick that you'll need to do to ensure that you have the right consistency, and I'll show you how to do it here in a second once I have it all mixed up. Well, so a lot of times people will just put the lid on and shake it, and that's all they do. And I find that that will end up making a lot of clumpiness in our chia seed pudding. So the best thing to do is, like, over a 5 to 10 minute period of time, just give it a nice little stir like this to really make sure that it is incorporating well. Now, I'm using a wooden spoon thingy to stir it in. You can see the first time I was filming this video, I was using a metal spoon and I broke through the mason jar, and that was not fun to clean up. So give it a stir, let it sit. We'll revisit it in a second. You can see how the chia seeds clump up in like these bands. So we want to, after a few minutes, a few stirs, it will eventually all incorporate nice and evenly. And as you can see, it's much better incorporated. Now you can leave it in the fridge for like 7 to 10 days and it'll stay fresh in there. I love mixing fruit into it, granola into it, even protein powder. Makes a really kind of nice, almost like gummy consistency that I find quite delicious. If you've never tried chia seed pudding, give it a try. This recipe is super easy, very healthy, a wonderful thing to have breakfast, lunch, or even as a little dessert, maybe with a little bit of, chocolate covered almonds mixed in. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick short video on chia seed pudding. I'll catch you later. Ciao.